We don't hurt people with actions. We hurt them with false promises. A few words, a little delay, and someone's life can change forever. This story will make you think twice before giving your word. This is a story about a cold winter night, a warm house, and a promise that came too late. Long ago, there was a man named Robert. Outside, everything was covered in thick snow. The roads were empty. The air was freezing, and the cold could break a man's spirit. But inside Robert's house, it was warm, very warm. All the doors and windows were tightly closed. A fire was burning in the corner, spreading heat across the room, and Robert was in the kitchen, cooking delicious food. Hot soup was boiling slowly. The smell of fresh bread filled the air. Meat was roasting over the fire. The warmth, the comfort, the peace, everything felt perfect, while someone outside had none of it. Suddenly, knock, knock, Robert stopped. Who could it be on a night like this? He walked to the door and slowly opened it, and what he saw made him freeze. An old man, barefoot, bare body, shaking uncontrollably. His lips were dry, his eyes were tired, but somehow he was still alive. The old man said in a weak voice, "Please, I'm hungry. Can you give me something to eat?" Robert was shocked. "How did you even survive this cold?" he asked. He felt pity, real pity. So he said, "Please wait here. I will bring you food and a warm blanket." The old man's face changed. For the first time that night, he smiled. A soft, peaceful smile, because he believed he was finally safe. Robert closed the door, went back inside. The warmth welcomed him again. The smell of food, the comfort of his home, pulled him back into his routine. He went to the kitchen, checked the soup, turned the meat, sat down for a moment, and then he got busy. Minutes passed, then more, and slowly he forgot. He forgot the knock. He forgot the old man. He forgot his promise. After a long time, suddenly something hit him. The old man. His heart dropped. He quickly grabbed some food, took a warm blanket, and rushed to the door. He opened it, and everything went silent. The old man was lying there, motionless, cold, and dead. He didn't die only because of the cold. He died because of hope that never arrived. He had already survived the freezing storm, walked miles barefoot, fought hunger and pain, because his mind was strong. But the moment Robert promised warmth, his mind changed. He started imagining comfort, feeling heat, believing he was saved. And when that promise didn't come, his body gave up. Listen carefully. Your words carry weight. Your promises carry responsibility. For you, it may be nothing, but for someone else, it could be everything. Never give false hope. Never delay kindness. Never forget your word. Because sometimes, a simple promise can become someone's last breath.